Hi everyone, it's Nadia. Welcome back to my channel. Here's my April monthly setup. It's easy, fast, and anyone can do it, I promise. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Now grab a cup of tea and let's get into the video. You're gonna need a black fineliner, a light grey marker, a dark grey marker, and a ruler. For the people who are already subscribed to me, this will be no surprise, but I'll start with creating my header with my dark grey marker. I promise you there will actually be a page without my standard header in this video, just wait. First, I'm using my light grey marker to draw 5 lines horizontally on my left page. These are going to form my calendar. I'll use the left page for the weekdays and my right page for the weekends. Now I'm using my black fineliner to fill in the dates of the month. Each date is 3 cm apart from each other. And with the magic of editing, all the dates are filled in. Next, I'm going to be using my fineliner to draw 2 boxes on the right page. I first put dots in the corner of the boxes, so I don't overdraw my lines. If I have 2 or more lines which are on the same row or line in my bullet journal, I try not to lift my ruler in between the lines to keep them nice and straight. I'll use my light grey brush pen to add a shadow to the boxes in just a bit. Finally, I'm using my fineliner to fill in the headers on the page and the headers of my boxes. The top box is for my to-do list and the bottom one for my goals this month. On to the next page. This time I won't use my standard grey header and go straight in with my fineliner for my habits page. I try to keep this simple and don't keep track of as many habits as I have before. I've noticed that if I keep it simpler, I'm more likely to actually fill it in and use it. So next I'm just creating 6 headers for the things that I would like to track with my light grey brush pen. And then using my fineliner to draw 30 circles for each month. Another plus of tracking less habits is more negative space on my page, and I love me some negative space. The last page I drew was so simple. I go back to my normal header with my dark grey marker and then use my fineliner to create 2 boxes, one for YouTube and one for Instagram. I basically use this page for brainstorming ideas for content for both social media platforms. I forgot to film me filling in the headers, but you can still see in a bit how it turned out if you'd like. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, it's @Nadia'sNook. You can even get a sneak peek at my face if you'd like. Anyway, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.